What's going on, guys? Your boy G here at the pet store. Look what we got here. We got some nice black hooded nuns. We got some canaries, parakeets.
That comes from Georgia.
66.94.
Some nice canaries there. We got one firetail.
Was it a star? Over there, sir?
We got a starfinch.
I order online from her.
Canaries.
Yeah.
You got your birds accessories, all your foods.
One from Miami and
You know, this is where you get the dry worms, coconut fibers. There's stuff over here for nesting. You got your small divider cages. This is what they fill our finch seed with. This is no good. It's too much of it. But it is what it is. You got all your boxes, your cages. You got your big bags.
Oh, you took your money, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You want this little thing up front, or you just want to leave it back here? I'll just bring it up when I change.
Yeah, leave it back
It's a nice little pet store, guys. Down in Massachusetts.
But that little finch won't let me change.
Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. What's going on, guys? This is G. We're back here again. And this is a mix of my egg food. This is just the dry egg food. It's what I put in for the birds. And they love it. We got two different types of dry egg food. Remember, guys, variety is key. When you're coming into the breeding season or you're breeding birds, variety. It's all about the variety. I went and grabbed a nice stainless steel pan. Look at this, it's all wet from the other. Nice stainless steel pan, beautiful. Better than what I had before. I was just looking for it, didn't have time. But today I had time, so today I went. And today, I got it. Finally got it. S76, guys. This will save everything. This you need. You need this. Us who has finches and all that good stuff, this scat, I got the scat. I put this on the leg, on the thigh, and then a nice mite lice spray. You put water. You add probably, I put like 2 to 3 caps with a little bit of water. And you can just spray it over your birds, spray it over the cage. You can do that kind of stuff. Just something quick, preventative. But this right here, you know how much I paid for this little bottle? Come on, what is this damn thing? There it is, $90. But if you don't get it, you're in trouble when you're breeding season. Look at that, guys. These guys eat the mealworms, the egg food. You got 2 different varieties of egg food. This is what makes your birds, you know, come into condition when you give them variety. Go ahead, Baldy. Drink that water. Get your fix. He's like, I never seen this pan before. Some of the birds are molting. And then when they continue to molt, the parrot finches, they go and they pull their the feathers out, you know, the quills. They pull them right out. Like, no, you don't do that kind of stuff. So I put, sorry guys, let me make this, oops. Let me make this small. I put 2 capsules into the gallon of water. See how it's soapy a little bit. Fresh water. This is where I sweep all my seeds to that corner. It's real life, guys. This is real life. This ain't no pretty and gimmicks and none of that stuff. This is real life breeding. This is how it is. I'm not gonna clean every single cage. Look at this. This is real. Okay? A lot of these videos, they got everything nice and swept, nice and clean. Nope. I put fresh water. That's from today, from this morning. They took a bath. Look at him. He got a mealworm in his mouth. He dropped it. Look at it. Starfinch eating the mealworm. See? A live one. They're on it. They love it. They love it. It's a source of protein. You can't get better than that with protein. Okay? That's what really booms them in. I just gotta give it to all these birds in the cages now. Okay, now they're chasing each other for it. Oh, he dropped it again. He'll pick it up. They love it, guys. They love it. They're birds, you know. They love it. That's it. Just came back from the pet store. Pick up some stuff. Nice S76. I swear by this thing. Swear by it. You know, got my, I like to buy the smaller bags. Why? Why do I like to buy smaller bags? Because if I buy the big bags, then I gotta buy a big container to put it in to keep it fresh. And it's just a bigger room that I gotta go find some place to put it in. You know, like this. I close it up when I'm done using it. Put it in a nice cool place. And that's it. Done. Stays fresh. And believe me, I did the test. It stays fresh. So, you got 2 varieties. See the difference in between them. Now, who am I to say this one is better than that one or vice versa? So guess what? I'll get both. I'll get both and I'll do both. Okay? I've been having success. The birds, they breed beautifully for me. I just put these out finches together, maybe not even 3 weeks to a month. And like I have said on the previous video, 5 eggs, 6 eggs, 2 eggs, all fertiled. Okay? If I pull these dummy eggs out of those right now, within 6-7 days, I'll have more eggs. Another 5, or another 5, or another 4, and another 4. Whatever the case may be. Then I'm up to 20 babies, less than a month. You following me? But I need to give the birds rest. You need to give the birds rest. You have to. This pair is gonna be next. That's the hen. The male's gonna jump down right now. That's the male. See the bar difference? How much thicker the males. Even on top of the head. That little darkness shall go further back than the hen does. She's ready. She's ready to lay. Let me check in here. Nope, nothing yet. Let's check in here. I don't think there's anything. Nope, nothing. I think these are two males. These guys. Nothing yet. Look at that, they put one of their own eggs. I just put this nest not even 3 days ago. That's crazy, they already put in their own eggs. That's hilarious. Well guys, that's all. Just wanted to show you what I picked up today. You know, S76. Whoever doesn't have it, please try to get it. It's a lifesaver. You know, a lot of times, a lot of people say, oh, my bird is growing bald on the head. I don't know what's going on. This right here. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. This is your answer. Try this. This can only do so much. This only does so much. This is like the big brother to this. Alright? Remember that. This is to keep your birds in check. You know, keep them going. Prevent. This is to really do it. You have an infertilities, stuff like that. Your birds, your hens are laying 5 bad eggs, only 1 good. Separate your birds for a period of like 2 weeks. Give the male and female, separate them, give them this. Then you hit them with a booster of the ABBA fertility. It's almost like a Viagra for birds, really. You know, it boosts them up. And only to the males, only give it to the males, the booster. Just the males, not the females. I mean, that's what I do. I don't know what other people do out there, but that's what I do. And then you put your birds together. And then shoot me a text and see how your success turned out. If it was any better, if it helped, or if it didn't. You guys let me know. Do your test. But you gotta have this. You gotta have S76. And if they only had 1, I would have bought 2. And if they have 2, and if you have the money, buy 2, put 1 in the refrigerator and keep it there. And don't worry about it. Every time you use it, just take it out, put it back in the fridge. It's not gonna go bad. Well guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Adios, people.